Here's another video of us laying down some vinyl in the laundry room downstairs. So this one shows as well a little more of us wrangling the big sheet. My daughter was helping me, and then I went around the room and sliced off the extra to make sure that they were pretty well straight up against each wall. I used just a regular box cutter to cut those lines. It works really well, especially if the blade is nice and sharp. And then we could go ahead and glue it down. So we used a great adhesive. It's a Henry 647 Plum Pro adhesive. Goes on really nicely. It looks like Elmer's glue. It does dry purple, so you see us like bumping up against the wall. We weren't worried about that in this instance because we were still going to put trim around later in the project. But you roll it on, let it sit for about 10 minutes until it gets tacky, and then roll it with a really heavy 75-pound roller. We rented one from a local shop, and you can see even here my daughter, who this thing weighs more than her, she was able to roll it around and help with the project too. So similar like the other room, we did half and half, flip it over, put down the adhesive, wait, roll it, do the other half, but it's ready to go immediately.